Hey there folks, this is Satyajit again back with a new video of the series The Enlightened. I'm bringing to you a very simple yet complicated topic, the beauty of imperfection. Before starting this topic, I want all of us to agree on one thing, that जो भी ये वीडियो देख रहा है उसने कभी ना कभी कहीं ना कहीं अपने लाइफ में कोई मिस्टेक तो ज़रूर किया है. It's a topic that is rarely taken, but I genuinely do feel that most of us will still relate to it. Since I was a child, I always felt this sense of urgency, an urgency to create a perfect life for myself. This enormous frustration was building inside of me because I was looking for something which was near to ideal conditions. A perfect life, a life with no problems, no hurdles, and no worries. My definition of a perfect life was much more of an illusion. Slowly, I started realizing that there was a huge gap between my fantasies and reality. So, a war started within me. I was kind of scared of making mistakes. I cared a lot about what others might think if I messed it up. And slowly, I started backing off from things that once I loved to do. And then I realized something was really wrong. Our society is designed in such a way that it has never encouraged imperfection. But I think there's much more to it. The major cause of imperfection is doing mistakes. And every mistake is an endless opportunity. An opportunity to evolve, an opportunity to improve, and an opportunity to learn. हमें अक्सर ये सिखाया जाता है कि खुद की गलती से अच्छा कोई दूसरा गलती करे तो उससे सीख लिया करो. But I don't think that is totally correct. Because there are some things that we need to learn from our own mistakes. क्योंकि जब हम खुद एक गलती करते हैं, we actually realize what is the true meaning, what is the true value of a mistake, what it exactly feels to do a mistake and work upon yourself to actually improve at something in which you suck at. We all live in a country where failure is not at all celebrated. If you fail, you are generally considered to be weak. If you fail, you're put into the general pre-assumption that you are not capable enough. इससे होता क्या है? इससे होता ये है कि we develop insecurity in ourselves. We develop a sense of fear. How will the end result turn up to be? अगर अच्छा नहीं हुआ तो क्या होगा? We stop starting to do certain things just because of this fear. Even if we start, we leave it in the middle. इसी के ऊपर की कुछ लिखा था कि अच्छा नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा, कि अच्छा नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा, जो सब धुआं था बस राख होगा. अगर अच्छा नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा. It means that if we stop doing things just because we are afraid of the fact that how the end result will turn up to be, then the fire that once existed in us to do something, that will eventually be extinguished, and what will remain is just ashes. So talking about solutions, the first solution is accepting that you were wrong. Embracing the imperfection is the greatest thing that you can do. Acknowledging that yes, you've done a mistake is halfway done. You have the intention truly you feel that you need to improve at something. Well, of course, try to improve yourself by taking baby steps. And by doing that, you'll actually learn that imperfection is not bad at all. It can lead up to some good, some better things in life. एक बहुत अच्छा कहावत सुना था कि you can never connect the dots seeing forward. You can always connect the dot when you see backwards. इसका मतलब ये क्या है कि हम जो गलती करते हैं, हम अगर आगे देखेंगे तब लगता है कि क्या हो गया, मतलब पूरा जिंदगी बर्बाद हो गया। लेकिन जब आगे कहीं पहुंच जाते हैं, जब 2 साल 4 साल 10 साल बाद वही गलती को देखते हैं पीछे मुड़ के, तो we feel that that's the best thing, that's probably the best thing that has ever happened to us. Because जब हम पीछे देखते हैं तो we connect the dots कि हाँ ये गलती किया था तभी हम यहाँ हैं, ये गलती किया है तभी हम यहाँ हैं, ऐसे 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 ऐसे। तो ये एटीट्यूड रखना है कि गलती हुआ तो हुआ, let's learn from this, let's absorb whatever we can, let's extract the most out of it. एंड बच्चों को ये सिखाने से अच्छा कि गलती मत करो, टीनेजर्स को स्पेशली उनको ये सिखाना चाहिए कि खुद की गलती का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लो, ओन योर मिस्टेक्स एंड वर्क अपॉन योरसेल्फ टू इम्प्रूव योरसेल्फ। ओनली देन you can move forward as a nation. And at last I would like to say that life is 10% what happens to you, 90% how you react to it.